Manual sales commission spreadsheets do not scale.
Not only do you need to manually generate those commission spreadsheets, you also need to distribute and revise them, which is a lot of work. To remain compliant, you have to carefully archive them. And auditing spreadsheets is time-consuming because you need to decode formulas.
Another problem with manual commission spreadsheets is that they aren't interactive. There is no dashboard your pays can use to review their commission history, check their attainment, or submit a dispute.
Manual commission spreadsheets also increase risk. They can be sent to the wrong person or left in printer rooms. They can accidentally include confidential data. Your auditor doesn't want to deal with hundreds of spreadsheets either.
Finally, manual commission spreadsheets are not transparent. There is no real-time visibility nor progress. Your pays don't understand complex spreadsheet formulas, which means they will spend significant time calculating their own commissions.
Using Sales Cookie, you can completely eliminate manual spreadsheets. You can provide real-time visibility to all your reps and managers. You'll save a lot of time, increase transparency, and become compliant with financial standards. So what are you waiting for?